Hello, welcome guys to another YouTube video. Here it's your boy Seif, and today we have our big daddy. It's a multi-tool agent that can do like a lot of things. Let's see how it works. So we have here daddy himself. We have here our main agent, and it's give the task for our mini agents here. Okay, we have here creative agent to create images, videos, or edit image. Like let's say that Photoshop agent. We have here posting agent. This is to post to your social media. Also here social media agent. This is to scrape social media. If you want to scrape YouTube, Instagram, TikTok for posts, for reels, for videos. We have here web scraper agent. We have calendar agent, and we have Google Drive and the Google email. Okay. So let me walk you step by step how we can build this gigantic agent. So what we have here is a Telegram trigger. Okay, so this Telegram trigger, it's already connected to our credentials, and if you want to know how to connect Telegram credentials, I already made a video here for our credentials, or you can check my Skool community. You will find the link down below. You will have this template. You can just drag and drop. I will just download it, and you can just import from file, and you have all this workflow. You can do whatever you want with it. You will find it in the Skool community down below. Okay, so this is the text. We can just give it text, or we can give photo, or even we can add a voice agent. So we can even give it a voice note, and it will act accordingly. Okay, so well, let's try it. So we have here our Telegram. Let's check our Telegram. Okay, so let's start our workflow here. Let's hit execute workflow, and let's hit hi. So as you can see, it didn't use any of the tools because it's just a simple hi. Hello, how can I assist today? So let's try something here. Let's try to create an image. Okay. Create an image for let's say a man standing out. Okay, so it's saying here create an image for a man standing out in the front of the pyramids. Okay, because I love pyramids. Okay, so it took the text. Now as you can see, it uses the agent to create the image, as you can see here. So it's creating the image. Let's go to this sub workflow here. Okay, this is the sub workflow to create the image, and this is the execution. So it's already running. So it called the sub workflow to create our image here, and it's still working, and it's still running here. So it's creating our image, and then after creating the image, it will get the image back to our Telegram. This is just one thing that I just want to tell you. So I know that we are using here. Okay, so our image is finished. Let's see. Okay, fair enough. Like this is a man in front of the pyramid. Okay, I can take it. But this is the note that I just wanted to tell you. Okay, so we are using here OpenAI to generate the image. Okay, it's finished. I have created the pyramid, the image of a man standing out of the pyramid. Okay, no problem. It's already finished here, as you can see. So I was just saying that we can actually add something better. It's Nano Banana. Well, until now, it's the best one is Nano Banana, and it will be very realistic. Not that like this one, but you got the idea. You got how we can do the workflow. Let's get back to our main agent here. Okay, so as you can see, anything that you get it will do it. So let's take the same picture. Okay, let's download this picture. Let's have it, and then let's say. Sorry about that. I want to upload an image and edit. Okay, we didn't hit execute workflow. Okay. So as you can see, it's saying please go ahead and upload the image you want to edit. Once I have it, please let me know. So let's upload our image that we already downloaded. So this is Telegram. Let's hit it. And we just uploaded the same image that we did. Hit execute workflow. So as you can see, it switched to the other one. here, download the file. It's downloading the file, then upload it to Google Drive. Okay, then after uploading to Google Drive, so it will say what you would like to name this uploaded image. So let's call it a man. Okay, let's see here. So now it will use Google Drive, as you can see, and it will use the change image one. So when it change the image, it search for the image first, then it will use change image. Just taking its time, no problem. Okay, as you can see, so it did the change image one. So let's go back. So it's saying here, the image has been renamed as man. Let's go to the Google Drive. Okay, so we have here the first one, man standing in front of the pyramid. This is the created one, and this is the one that we already renamed it. Let's go back to our agent here. Okay, let's try to you can use it in multiple things also. Like you can use the same image that you already uploaded to different things. Like you can edit, you can create the video, you can post it to your social media. You can do multiple things with it. So let's just go a quick step by step how we build it. So we have here our Telegram trigger. Okay, so from our Telegram trigger, we did the switch node, and this switch node, it says if it's a photo exists, so it will switch it to photo. If it's a message or a text, so it will go directly to our agent. Now we have here our agent. So define below, it will be the prompt. The user prompt will be from the text itself. Okay, and then we have here our system message. So this is the system message. Well, it's a little bit detailed, but you are on the ultimate manager agent. Your job is to help the user out with the task by using the tools that it already delegated. Okay, so we have our tools here. We have our Google Drive agent, we have email agent, we have social media agent, creative agent, and all the agent that you see, and then you give it just a simple instruction what this agent or what this tool for. Now we are given the actual this big daddy, the instruction. If the user submit a photo, ask them or some action required you to look up the contact information for the following action, and like the sending email, drafting, creating, or image or video are found in the database that it's already Google Drive. And we have here, before asking the follow-up questions, use the think tool first, and also before posting anything, the file must be shared to anyone in Google Drive. So because sometimes when you upload to Google Drive, it's not shared, it's protected, so it just need to change and to be shared to anyone. So I just want to tell you, I want to show you this tool. So this is the one that we are talking about here. This is the one. So it uses this tool to share the file to anyone, just to make it public, then share the file with the email. Okay, so this was our system message. As you can see, you can copy and paste it, or you can also check it in the Skool community. You'll find the whole template with the system message, with the prompts, with everything. And here return intermediate steps, just to know the exact steps that we need. Okay, and enable fallback model. We enabled the fallback model because, as you can see, this is a heavily agent, so sometimes if it fails or something, so we have here the model. It's 4.1 mini, and this model is 5 mini. So if it fails for any reason, we have two models to back it up. Okay, and let's go just to this. So this is to clean up the data, just to give it a good structure, because as you can see, we already have like multiple outputs here. Because we enabled this section, enable fallback model, return intermediate steps. So that's why we're just cleaning up everything and just getting the exact output that we want. And it's also the same here. And we have a send text, or if it's an error message, and it's only send text here. Why? Because we already have, if you want a video or if you want a photo, it's already here. I'll show you the sub workflow later. And we have here the error. You can go here, settings, and continue using the error output. So that's mean that it will give you the second one, and if something happened or if there is any error, it will give you like a message on Telegram. Okay, and you already know here our fallback, the think, and the simple memory. The simple memory, as you can see, the key will be our Telegram message to remember your chat. Then we have here our main tools. So we have here the creative agent. Let's go to it. And this one you will find user prompt. User prompt, just press this button that let the model define the parameter. Just let it define this one, or you can just use the JSON one and you can write it by yourself, but just let the model define what it is. And also the description is just a simple description, an agent that can create image and video and edit image. That's it. And you can add combined image. We have here our system message. So we are given it as specific instruction and tools in order to create the image. We have here edit image, create image, image to video, or create video, or combine images. We have an instruction. Also the image prompt should be detailed and stylized, and also the video prompt. And we have here the tools, change name, and also combine image, search raw files. We have multiple things. We have here the instruction. If the user submit a photo, ask them the photo by saying, what would you like me to name the photo? So as you can see, this is the system prompt, and again you can find the system prompt in the Skool community with the whole workflow. Let's go, for example, let's go to combine images. Okay, so this is the workflow, this is the description. In order just to get this, so you go here and you just type N8N, and you will find call N8N workflow tool. So call N8N workflow tool, this will let you call another workflow that you already created. So let's go to this one, and this is the other workflow. If you hit from list, you'll find all the workflows that you have. Okay, and the source will be from database. You don't need to put it at JSON, just put it from the database as long as you have the name of it. And the prompt, and you will add here the prompt. You will add workflows input to send. So you will add the prompt, you will add the image 1, image 2, and the image title. This is for combined images, because that's mean we'll combine 2 images. If you are combining 3 or 4 images, okay, it can handle, but you just need to put the proper description. And as you can see here, we are putting the description just to give it a brief what it needs to do. Okay, let's go to our sub workflow here. So as you can see here, our sub workflow started when executing by another workflow. So when you hit this one, as you can see, oh, this is the old one. Okay, so as you can see, this is when executed by another workflow defined using the field below. Okay, so we have the prompt, we have the image 1, image 2, and the image title, the same ones that we have here: prompt, image 1, image 2, and image title. Okay, and then we have here the edit field, because what you will have multiple things. You have prompt, you have image 2, image 1, and the title. So that's why we need the edit field, just to combine all of them in just one, like to have it in a single array. And then we have the split out. So we have it in a single one, so it will output a single. Let me show you. Oh yes, we didn't combine images actually. And I just want to tell you this workflow, I was just testing the workflow because I was just doing something. Okay, so this is the split out. So it take one item and split it to multiple items. So we need to split out the image in order to download it with our Google Drive here. So here by ID, this will be the image ID itself. And then we have here something called IMBBG. So this to upload the photo and or the image, and to upload also the to upload the both images, just to upload both images, and then give you both URL for both images, because we need to have it like we need to have a URL for the image itself in order to send it to file. This is I want to show you in order to create the image. So we need to have a public URL for it. You can use this one, or you can use Cloudinary. I use Cloudinary also, so you can have a URL with this. And then it will aggregate it because we will have the 2 images. We will have it in one file. We will have it 2 images because we already split it out. So we will have 2 images. So we need to have it in one image. Then, or so it's like 2 images, okay? Because I believe I'm not explaining this right. So it's 2 images, one with URL and the other one with the other URL. Then we need to output as a one item, okay? So in order to send it to file. So file. Let me show you file really quick. So FAL is a third-party platform, and it's a really good one. I use it a lot actually. And you can create a lot of things in FAL. Like you You have here library of a lot of things, like you have Nano Banana, you have Swara2, you have a lot of things here, and it's not expensive as the others. Okay, so you can use Fal. I actually signed in with the other account because the main account I use it for work. So okay, so we have here Fal. You can use you add this Nano Banana. Let me show you how we got this one. So you come here and you just nano banana edit, then you go to API, then it will be shown as JavaScript, but just choose HTTP cure, and then go down, you'll find this one, submit a request. Okay, so this is the link that we need. You will just copy and paste this one here. Okay, and the method will be boost because we are boosting our request to file. Okay, and then we will choose generic credentials, and then we will choose header authentication, and in order to authenticate it, we just need our API key. In order to get your API key, you will go just go home, manage, and you will find here your API key and just create one. Okay, and just create add API key. This is the account, I don't use it actually, I use the other one, but anyways, okay, after creating the API key, you will have here send body. Okay, so choose it as JSON, then use it as JSON, and then you will add this body. I want to tell you how we got this JSON. So you go back, go again to Nano Banana. Where is Nano Banana? Yes, our Nano Banana here, API, and just scroll down. Yes, this is the one. Okay, so this is the prompt, the image URL, and the number of the images, and the output format. So as you can see here, it's the same prompt, image URL, and the number of images, and the output format. Okay, so you just copy and paste this one, just copy and paste it here, and that's it. Just make sure to add the prompt for, as you can see, when executed by another workflow. Okay, and to let you know what is this, the replace, why we put here dot replace, because sometimes when you add the JSON, sometimes it will give you error because it's not a proper JSON. And just to let you know, if you want to know your JSON is a proper JSON or not, you can like copy and paste this one. Let me show you this one. I believe this one will not have JSON, huh? Yeah, it will not have JSON, doesn't matter. So you can just copy and paste this one and just go JSON format. JSON formatter, and this is the one. And then you can just copy and paste your format here, and then just format. If it give you like this, the same results, so that's mean it's a good JSON. If it's not, if it give you an error, so there is an error and it's not a valid JSON. Okay. Yeah, and that's it. Then we have a wait node because we are creating image. So in order not to have any errors, because creating an image sometimes take 5 seconds or 10 seconds something, just make the wait node 10 seconds or something. Then here get results. It's the same HTTP request. In order to get HTTP request, you just do this and you have this one. Okay, the same one, but the method will be get, then the URL itself, it will be this URL. Let me show you from where we can get this URL. This is the one, fetch request status. Okay, you can get this one, or also you can get this one. It's actually the same, you know, it doesn't matter if it's request status or you can get results, it's the same. It will get the status also, but anyway, you can use this one just to be on the safe side. You can use this one, and only thing that you change is the request ID. Let me show you. So here is the request ID. The request ID, you will get it from the output here. Okay, you will get the request ID. The credential are the same. When you use the generic credential, you will find it. You already have file. You already did it in the last one. And also hit wait 5 seconds if it's having an error. If it's success, so it will go here to download the image. This is just a normal HTTP request. You hit get and just put the JSON, the image URL, and that's it. You don't need authentication or nothing. It will just download the image and then upload it to Google Drive, and the results it's showing as it's showing. This image was created and named like this. Here is the link to this image. So this result, it will be sent as an output for our main agent and to our Telegram message. Okay, So this is basically the combined one. Creating the video, it's also the same. This is just the chat ID, the video title, the aspect ratio, and also the same, but it's a little bit having something different. Like we have also here file, so you will do file, but we have different things, of course, because we have the prompt, we have the aspect ratio, we have generate audio or not, because sometimes we don't need audio in the video itself. So as you can see, it's almost the same. So we have here view 3 also, so you'll go to file, view 3, and then you will wait for the results. Then let's go back also. We have the edit image and image to video. It's also the same. It's basically the same thing, just changing few things. And anything that you will need, you will go to API and then HTTP curl, and you'll have all the information that you need here. Where is the one? Yes. So this is will be sharing the file, so it will be make it like open file, so they can download it, or the node can download it. Then we will add the have the URL for img bbb. Then we use also fat to generate the file to generate the video. We have to wait 1 minute and then download the video. This is just a normal HTTP request that we did with the photo, and then send the video and also upload it to our Google Drive. Okay. So this with the creative agent. We have here the posting agent is the same also. It's basically just the prompt. We can just make it defined by the model, and we can add system prompt, but I'm not adding system prompt for now. But you can add system prompt. Oh, this is the one that we did. Okay. We have here the email agent, like it can reply automatically on emails. It can do labels for the email, can make drafts, send emails, mark unread, get labels, and get emails. Get emails, this is fetching emails, because sometimes when you need a specific email, or sometimes what I'm doing for myself, actually sometimes I spend a lot of money with my credit card, so I don't know how much I spend. So that's why I created like a small agent that fetch all the emails that it was sent for me by the bank, and then it gets the information like the name of the store, how much I spent, and the time, the date, everything. Then it gives me like a spreadsheet I can at the end of the month. So this is basically why I use get emails for myself. Okay, so let's just review it quick. We have here get emails. So of course the first thing that we do, it's now, because we need to give it the time, because we are using emails here. And also we have you're an email assistant management, and you are an email management assistant. All emails must be formatted professionally. And also see email management tool, send email, and can draft it. So it basically gives us all the information that we need here. And also it's basically the same, like you just add it here, and like add the description. You have here to, and the subject, and HTML. And also we have here also our Google Drive. Google Drive is also the same. You can just get the image and get the information for the image and just upload it, or search, or make it share for anyone. The calendar also the same. The calendar is the same. And also we have here our web agent. Web agent, it's like a deep scraper. So if you want to scrape a website, or you want to scrape a specific thing and get a deep knowledge about specific topic, you can use this scraper. Either it can use Stavely or Perplexity. Perplexity. Okay, so you can use this one also, but I removed it. I actually forgot to change this one. I actually removed both of them, and I just added SERP API. SERP API, it's like give you 250 token every month. It's for free, and also it's doing the same scraper. But it's basically the same. If you did the search, it will search too. There is no problem with this. So yeah, as you can see, we have here our main gigantic agent. It can do a lot of things, really a lot of things. And yeah, if you need the whole workflow, you can just download it from my Skool community. If you need step by step, or if you download this one and you have any errors, you can ask me in the Skool, and I'll guide you through how to bypass this error. Okay, I hope you liked it, guys, and if you need more videos about specific topic, just comment down below, and see you on the next one. Thank you.